What's up, everybody? It's Cash Flow Nexus, your favorite chart analyst, back again, giving you the latest and greatest updates on crypto and XRP with Ichimoku Technical Analysis. Welcome tonight, guys, to tonight's live stream. I appreciate you guys taking the time out to be here tonight. It's a blessing to be here. We're alive, we're well, we're enjoying the night. So thank you guys for being on tonight's live stream. If you're tuning in tonight, because you really don't even have to be here, but you chose to be here. So I appreciate you 100%. So everybody that's on here, if you're new to this channel, you like what you're seeing here, and feel compelled to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's get this party started tonight. So if you guys are new or if you are old, tell me where you're from and let me know what's going on with you. What's up, Taro? How we doing? Hope you're doing well tonight. Y'all see XRP is blasting through a lot of resistances and supports a lot of resistances right now. So XRP is looking so good right now. I'm excited for what XRP is about to do. It's looking very good on these charts. So you guys, I'm about to get into this analysis soon. What's up, Hex Bomb? How we doing? Shout out to Hex Bomb, my newest member on the channel. I appreciate you, baby. I gotta show you some love. Every time I see you, Hex Bomb, I gotta show you some love for being a member, man. What's up, Gabriel? How you doing, man? From New York, New York, New York. How we doing? XRP, they looking good. XRPG, what's up, man? How we doing tonight? Appreciate you being on here. Rodney, what's up, man? Yo, brother. I hope you're doing well. Let me pop out this chat box real quick. I am so excited for what XRP is doing. I hope you guys are enjoying the show. It's a fireworks right now. If you guys are just jumping on, smash that like button. We're about to get started. Yeah, so you guys, it's looking great on these charts. It's looking real good on these charts. Volume has increased in the last 24 hours, so I'm expecting a lot coming. Digital source 119 XRP incoming. Yes, I'll show you in a second what I was talking about on Twitter. So I am getting excited, you guys. Man, this run's gonna be crazy when it finally takes off. And I was telling people this, and my students, man, my students are going to eat really well. I'm gonna say that they're going to eat really well. I put out a trade signal in my student Discord. Yeah, they're gonna be billionaires, millionaires before XRP even hits like $100. So yeah, they're gonna eat pretty good. Let's see. Rodney, you said at work again, bro. You coming on when I'm at work next? Well, man, I gotta. This is the stamp time, man. This is the time I get started. So I try to. I'm trying to do them a little bit earlier, but we will see. Just because of my circumstances right now, I gotta do it early. So, well, I gotta do it at this time. So that's what I have to go by. So, but I appreciate you getting on here tonight, man. God bless you, brother. But you guys, XRP and the entire crypto space is looking good. You said what time is it in Texas? It's 8:05. Yes, 8:05 Central Time. What time is it where you're at? Because I know I think your time is slightly. I think your time's either hour ahead or so. I don't remember. Where exactly are you at? And so it's 6 p.m. Oh, so you're 2 hours behind. Oh man. Okay, cool. But yeah, I'm trying to. Oh, so you're in Cali. Yeah, so you're definitely behind. Yeah, you're man, Hex Bomb. I always gotta say thank you, man, because you don't even have to be on these live streams, but you jump on here. You stay up late, 3 a.m. Boy, I have to show you some love, man. I have to show you some love. 3 a.m. Dang, like that. Like man, just for that. One like when XRP takes off, man, I might just send you something your way just to say thank you, just for supporting the channel, man. Cause man, you are you are definitely a member of this channel. Getting on here at that time. So yeah, like Ronnie said, mad props, man, mad props. But once again, you guys, I appreciate you guys. Before I even got on here, I was praying. I was just trying to, talk to the Lord. I didn't really get to spend too much time with the Lord today. As I did it. I don't know why. Usually I spend a lot of time with Him, but today I didn't spend too much time. So I had to spend time with him before I got into today's live stream. I was just praying and, praying for some people and, just enjoying what's about to happen in the space. Man, I hope XRP hits at least $10 on this first move. You know, towards the end of the year, towards like the beginning of the year, I'm just hoping, and then sometime next year we get like to $100. But I'm about to get into that. Before we get started, I just want to acknowledge Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. Before we get started, I always have to acknowledge Him in some way or do some type of prayer or something, maybe even scripture. But I just wanted to say that today. I'm excited. He has been blessing me with some new gifts. I just was blessed with the ability to speak in tongues. So yeah, that kind of upped my spiritual walk with him. So I'm excited for what's about to come into my life. Having the gifts of tongues is definitely a awakening. I will say that. And it was funny. Let me tell y'all how it happened. It was funny because when the Lord was talking to me, he was talking to me about Goku, and it was funny because I'm like, Goku, what? He talks to me in interesting ways, y'all, and it's unique. So he said, "You remember how Goku went into Ultra Instinct?" And I said, "Yeah." So he was trying to say the way Goku went into Ultra Instinct is the same way that you need to, you know, connect with the Holy Spirit. But the thing is, what he was saying is your mind is getting in the way of him doing what he needs to do through me. And I said, "Oh, I see." Because the same thing Goku had, he had the block of the not being able to control Ultra Instinct properly is because his mind was getting in the way. But when he let his mind and his thoughts go, that's when he was able to, use Ultra Instinct properly. And the Lord was telling me the reason why you are not able to flow and use the tongues, the gift of tongues, is because your thoughts is getting in the way of, speaking in tongues. So I was like, wow, interesting, Lord. That was, it. And he said the reason why, if we're going deeper on it, he said you allow fear, doubts, and your pride to get in the way. Because I had doubts of speaking in tongues, I had fear of speaking in tongues, and I also had I was also had a pride like, whoa, I'll sound stupid speaking in tongues. So when I thought about it, I'm like, wow, Lord, you're right. So when I was able to push myself out of the way and throw those things away, I was able to speak. And so that's how I had that come about. So now I don't really think about it now. It just, it happens. I just say, okay, Lord, I know what you want. Boom. Let's sync together and be one and then do this thing. So that was a learning experience for me this week. I'm very blessed and fortunate to experience that. And just like how blessed we're about to all be with XRP, I felt extreme joy. It was like overflowing joy when I was speaking in tongues. I couldn't stop smiling. And I know a lot of people are about to start smiling again in the crypto space, especially when XRP goes off. So this is what I'm definitely seeing right now, and it's gonna happen, you guys. It's really gonna happen, and I think a lot of people are going to experience a totally different life change very soon. So let me see. You said Hexbomb. You said I uploaded one photo I did a few days ago for members on this channel. Bullish, awesome. That's, man, you are a trooper, man. I appreciate that. But you guys, I appreciate all my members that are on my channel. Shout out to all the members. I think you're the only one on right now, or the only one speaking, at least I see. So once again, 8 Hex Bomb, you are very appreciated, man. Very appreciated. That being said, we're gonna get into this technical analysis. Actually, we're gonna do it right now. But I'm excited, you guys. Digital source. If you're still on here, I'm gonna talk about that 119 XRP first. You guys smash that like button, drop some rocket ships in the live chat box. We're about to get this party started, and we're going to see, the charts on XRP and, what's really going on in this space. So, and feel free to share this live stream, you guys. Get some more people on here. It's going to be fun tonight. All right. So let's take a look at, let's take a look at XRP on the monthly. This is what I was going to show you guys anyway, as far as XRP prices moving on up to the upside, the 119 price. So it's not just, I have it going up to like at least 119, probably, by April, between March 1st and April 1st. And the reason why I have it up here is just because the reason why I have this move is because of the N wave. And we know that when Bitcoin made its crazy move to the upside, that first run back in 2017, back in November to December, we know that it literally was like 4 weeks for XRP. So if we have this same move here from this leg to this leg, I'm expecting nothing different, I'm expecting like a high price XRP. At least that first move will be at least $10 at least. And that's based off the last time I checked was based off the weekly. But if you notice here, volume is starting to pick up again. So we're getting some volume picking up here on this monthly chart. I don't want to just lean on the monthly chart for volume because a monthly is a long time. But if we get a monthly volume candle, or not, I wouldn't say candle, but if the monthly volume is above last month's volume, like about right here, we'll definitely see prices move a lot higher from here, a lot higher. So that's why I'm getting excited in this space. And then if we go to the weekly chart, if you look at the volume here, the volume on the last week's candle and then this week's candle is very bullish. So this is just letting you know that bulls are taking this market right now. So I'm excited, you guys. I'm looking at XRP at least getting through this spot here that we've finally been crying about. That 31-cent level has been been a thorn on our side for a long time. So I believe we're gonna break it this time and move up higher for sure. So I am going to anticipate that move in this market. So that's what I see right now. But let's take a look at the daily. I'm just gonna go down each time frame and slowly walk through it and show you guys what I see. Now, I was calling this move on the last live stream, and I said, you guys, that this is going to be the move to the upside that I see breaking out this P wave. We broke out of it. Secret span A is pointing up, B is pointing up. Volume has increased a lot on the daily time frame. You see volume is now up. We're up at 27 cents right now and 101. So price is moving up. We just have one level of resistance right now. And this, you see this flat part of the cloud right here. If you guys tune into my morning live streams, I had a morning live stream the other day. I was saying that when you see a flat cloud, that's resistance. And just like here, we have resistance right here at 27 cents, 430. That's why you saw rejection immediately right there. But that doesn't mean anything. Everything is still pointing up. Kijinsen's pointing up, Tinkinson's pointing up. Price just needs to break this level. And once we break that 27.43, 430 level, it's game on. And we're going to get back into this 31-cent level ASAP very soon. So this is the last level of resistance, you guys. So this is what to expect in this market. Expect market to break here at this price level. Once we break that level, then we're going to go up to this 31-cent level, 33-cent level. And then beyond that, and we see beyond that, we'll be looking at, let's see, the next level with 36 cents, 38 cents, 42 cents, and 47 cents from that point on. And, beyond that, 80 cents and above, and then $1. But I think this is going to happen very fast and very soon. Faster than what we all anticipate. I was saying, I believe last time I was saying something. Let me take a look at the weekly real quick. Okay. So I guess I took it off, but I was saying sometime around like middle of November, we should see prices start to really press to the upside, but we are definitely seeing it now. And it is like towards the middle of November. So prices are doing just that. So I'm excited, you guys. It's crazy how, things are starting to ramp up. And if you look here, and this is what I was telling my students, we got in down here. I told my students to buy in down here, and they're pretty good right now. So if they had got in when I told them, they would be up at least 6.49% right now. And this is very strong. This 4 hour candle is looking great. Sequence span A is beautiful. Sequence span B is beautiful. Kijinsen's beautiful. The Tinkinsen's beautiful. It's all angling up. Volume is up right now. Everything's looking good. Even here on the RCI, everything is showing all bullish signs. Everything is bullish. So if you're looking for a margin trade position, you should look for nothing but buys right now. It's nothing but buying opportunities right now. So you should not look for shorts. Should look for nothing but buys here. And then last but not least here, coming down to the 1 hour time frame, volume has dwindled a little bit, but you see how much volume was here that got us up to this point. Kijinsen is flat, but right now this market's trying to establish this level as support. Once this level is established as support, we will see XRP continue to climb higher. Sequence span A is pointing up, B's flat right now, Kijinsen's flat. So momentum is just slowing down just a little bit, but not enough, because you see here, we did hit resistance here. We zoom back out. This was our level of resistance that we had called right in here. So this is why price has stalled out a little bit, but this is not enough for price to just take a dump to the downside. Now, what we can expect at this point, I'm still bullish. We could expect that market could still move higher once we break this fractal high, which is our current level of resistance. So once we break that level, that's straight bullish action. Next thing we're looking at, if that could possibly happen, price can come down temporarily and test as support. All right, test support right here at this fractal level, just to establish it, and maybe even back to the Kijinsen. All right, so here's a scenario that can possibly happen. All right, we come back down here, range in here for a bit, get some momentum, and then take off to the upside right in here. All right, that could be likely the case. Or what could happen here, we could come back down to Tinkinsen and then bounce off higher and go higher to the upside and start moving parabolically. If you notice here, price is kind of moving a little bit parabolic right here. It has a little curve and then a straight move to the upside. So we can expect that. But I'm going off the volume and the move of the market. If you look at the RCI, everything is bullish on the 1 hour. The midterm trend, our purple line, is bullish. Our long-term trend is in bullish territory. Our signal line is trying to find us another signal to enter another buying position. So this is exciting. And then also here on the 15-minute chart, let's take a look. Volume is, it's kind of slowing down a little bit because it's, trying to establish some some support down here. So we may get a bullish move during this live stream, and we may break this area during the live stream. So we'll just have to keep an eye out on it for now. What do you guys think is going to happen? I want to hear you guys, your thoughts on XRP right now. Where do you think XRP personally for yourself, where do you think it's going to go? Do you think it's going to, move a lot higher? What's your price target for yourself? So me, I just think it's going to break through this level and move up to the 30-cent range. And once we get to the 30-cent range, that's when I'll start taking a little bit of profit. And then once I find another entry for a buying chance, I'll start buying in again, and then go from there. So that's what I'm seeing so far in this market. I'm excited. You guys should be excited too, because once everything starts going, it's just gonna be game on, you guys. It's gonna be game on, and a lot of new millionaires gonna be made. You're gonna see us on Forbes magazine. We're gonna be talked about. Everybody's gonna come to us. Just make sure you stay low key, because you're gonna have a lot of haters, you guys. You're gonna have so many haters. And remember this: your wealth is remember, wealth is responsibility. To whom much is given, the much more is required. So the more you have in your finances, the more you're gonna have to be a good steward of your money, bless people, invest, take care of your money, because the more you have, the more that's required out of you. So a lot of people that always say, God, give me this, God, give me this. But are you going to be responsible with what he gives you, you guys? So be responsible with what you're giving and use that wealth to glorify God, because that's what wealth is meant to do. It's meant to glorify God. So make sure you bless him as he blesses you. All right. And if you guys don't, if you don't give him credit, y'all need to read Deuteronomy 8:17 through 18 for yourself. And if you don't have it memorized, I suggest you go read it and memorize it for yourself. That's all I'm gonna say, because he gives you the power to make wealth, and he could definitely take it away. And if you think you got it by your own power, you're foolish. So that's what I have to say about that. XRP is looking good right now. I'm just going to let it just keep my trade keep running. Everything's looking good here. Even on the RCI on the 15, it's bullish. So I'm just gonna hold here. And I'm just going to wait until it gives me another buying signal. When it gives me another buying signal, then I'll buy. What could also happen here, we could get a bounce off the Kijun here and then move up just like that. And, test here and then move up. All right, so that's a scenario. Or we could, come down to the cloud, test the support here, and then move up higher from there. All right. So it's going to be interesting what we do here. I'm just going to watch the market either way. I just know tomorrow is going to be a good candlestick for XRP that we haven't had in quite a while. But I definitely want to hear you guys' perspective on it. I'm leaning more towards this move happening. It looks like it's moving more parabolic, and I'm going to lean on that for for this analysis. So I want to hear you guys' thoughts. Let me go ahead and read some of these comments. Let me see. Okay. So, Rodney, you said you were talking to Hexbomb. What's your Twitter handle so I could follow you, bro? Bet. Rod, you said that's a beautiful chart, bro. Yes, it is a beautiful chart, man. This chart, if you're talking about the color scheme, okay, I get you. The color scheme, I like the color scheme. If you guys don't know, my favorite colors is red, blue, and purple. Those are my 3 favorite colors, and then white as well. So that's why I designed this chart the way it is. You said that's hard to call. It is hard to call, man. I know what you mean, because that's why being a chart analyst is hard. But you have to have so many different things to analyze the chart. And it's good having visuals with the cloud, because the cloud tells you the momentum of the market, if it has stopped or if it has, if it's going. And then you use other confirmations like the RCI and then volume to tell you what else is going on too. So it definitely helps you understand the market a lot better. So I still think the market's going to go into the 50s, the 50, $80 and then to the $7 and above range. I'm just saying, I'm that bullish on XRP. I really think it's going to go sky high between now and next year. So I am going to be watching this market like a hawk. I want to see some other people's thoughts. Rodney gave his thoughts. He said, but I'm not looking to take profit until at least 50 to 80 cents. Yeah, that's a good place to take some profit, man. Let's see. You said, well, I hope XRP hovers around 27 to 28 cents. I just got a Discord message, so I'll have to check that later. Till December, and then taking off. Formations of the chart. Yeah, man, there's so many formations on here. You have to draw out the charts to where it makes sense, you guys. I need to do an update for you guys on XLM as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at XLM right now. So bear with me. Let me also move that out the way. But yes, XLM is looking very interesting right now. I said XLM was going to move sideways until it broke outside the box. Where is XLM? Right there. So let's go straight down to the 1 hour chart, because it did. No, yeah. So here, this is what I said was going to happen, you guys. And this is why I said you got to have patience when it comes to trading. I said, you guys, it's going to move sideways in this box range. So let me go ahead and take off the cloud. It moved sideways for a while, and now we've finally broken outside the box. So I believe XLM is going to reach this point here. So from this point, this was our entry. once it broke outside the box. I believe it's going to reach this point. So let's go ahead and stick with that analysis for now. I'm going to stick with that because that's what I had already down on the last live stream. But a lot of people were asking me, when is XLM going to go up? What's it going to look like? I said, when you're trading, when you're doing chart analysis as well, the way I invest, or if I'm going to invest at all or consider investing, I always analyze the charts to see and get a better perspective on where the market can go. So I know that if the market is in a range like it was here, I know it's going to go sideways. And I said, my rules for trading that type of market is don't touch the market until it breaks outside that range. So once it breaks outside this range, that's when I would look for a buying opportunity. Or if it went for a break to the downside, that's when I would look for a short opportunity. And I know if it broke to the downside, I got a lot of room to play with here. All right. So if you want to take a real close look at this market's in a bigger range here on the daily. So if we go to the 4-hour and the daily chart, let's see, actually maybe the weekly chart. So here, the weekly chart. So we're actually here. So in the weekly chart, we're actually ranging right here within 3 candles. And then if you come down to the daily time frame, you can see the range very clearly here. All right. So this range is happening. It's a realistic range. So I need to probably tighten this up a little bit. But you could clearly see this range. But if you're trading on the daily time frame, you're not going to touch it until it breaks outside this box here. And so once price breaks outside this box, which is pretty much ranging on the weekly time frame and within 3 candles, we know that price is going to explode. And if you look here, I even called it to the day. This is actually day 51. And look what's going on. Day 51, the market's moving up. Boom. So today is Hinka B for XLM. So Hinka B translates to day of change in Japanese. So if you are trading the Ichimoku style, Hinka B means day of change. And if you notice here, day of change means the market could either reverse or accelerate or, moving faster in that direction. You notice here on day, what was this? Day 33, market reversed. Came all the way down to day, let's see what it says here. Day 42, it reversed back to the upside. And now day 51, market is now accelerating to the upside. Next day we're going to be looking at heavy is day 65. So depending on how hard this market moves, let's say we zoom out here. So we could anticipate by day 65 from this point. So here to here, day 65, we could get up to about right here, which would give us about 11 cents XLM right here, which will be around November. So towards the end of November, so November 28th is where we could probably expect price to go to up here, and maybe even right here. So we have a range where price could come up to. So price could even come right about here by this date, but we'll see. So it's going to be in this range here where I'm expecting price to go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bubble it, and we'll see about right in here. So this is the range that I'm looking at price moving up to. All right, so but we'll see how it happens, you guys. This is just what I'm anticipating. And if you look here on XLM, the volume is starting to increase. And also look what's happening with the cloud. Price is starting to break above the cloud as well, like XRP did. So that's a great sign for price to start moving up. And then look at the cloud here, it's starting to angle up. Only thing is we got to get through the candles right here, and then we'll have our first real battle for XLM right here at resistance. All right, which will be at 9 cents. So at 9 cents, that'll be our first level of resistance, and we'll see how price is going to respond there. So I'm gonna mark that red, and we'll see how prices start to respond at 9 cents once it gets there. All right, so that's what I have for XLM. I'm still betting to the upside. That's my bet, and that's what I see for this market. All right. Let me see. What's up, Black Stunt Man? God bless everyone here. Let's look at a hidden gem. Those. Okay, we'll look at that shortly. What's up, Jeff? How we doing, brother? Hope all is well with you. So I just finished giving XRP and XLM analysis. I'm gonna do Bitcoin and then we'll get into your request, my friend. I do want to look at Bitcoin, and I do have a trade running on XRP right now. It looks so good right now. Man, let me check it. Yep, I'm up 200 and so you guys could see it for yourselves. I'm about to put it on the screen. I don't know if y'all could see that. I don't know if y'all saw that, but I'm up 200 right now on my trade. So we'll see how it goes. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit all my targets. So that's what I am watching. Bitcoin volume is high right now. Still a buy. Despite this candle right here, it's an indecision candle at resistance. But everything is still pointing towards the bulls. Let me take a look at the 4-hour. So 4-hour momentum is slow. So this is where you may want to look for your trading opportunity. Let's see. Right here. For Bitcoin, that's where I would enter. Once price breaks above $16,487, that's where I will look for a move. Once it breaks that $16,487 price range, all right? And then stop loss would be, oh, let's see. Stop loss will be right here. It's quite a big stop loss, but it's better, to give, Bitcoin room than nothing. It's still angling up on the span A, B also a little bit. Kijun's flat, so once Kijun angles up, that's a good chance to look for a buying opportunity. So once here, I'm gonna just chill out and watch how this market's gonna play out. This is a good time to just watch and chill, and especially for Bitcoin. I still say Bitcoin's gonna hit, the 18K range, because I said once we get past this level, 18K is right in, and I called Bitcoin way down here, you guys. If you guys even pay attention to my live streams, you guys would have been in Bitcoin way down here. This was the entry way down here. If you had got in way down here, you would be up 50% right now. You would be up 50% if you had, tuned into live stream back in here. This was about how many weeks of worth of waiting? Let's see. About 5 weeks worth of trading right here. All right. And that's 5,408 points the market moved up. So you would have made some silly money from this point to up here. All right. It's just a matter of if you had, the strength to hold that trade. If you have the capital to trade, you have to put risk at least 2 to 3% of your account to, make some good money. And y'all think 2 to 3% is a little bit, but that goes a long way when you're trading. It goes a really long way. All right. But let me go ahead and look at your request, my friend. You said Dow Stack, which is Jin. Never heard of that. Well, at least I don't remember or recall it. But let's go ahead and take a peek at it. All right, Zenfin actually hit our target, so just saying. Jin, let's take a look. So it's called Genesis. Okay, cool. And this is an interesting one. So this is my first time looking at Genesis. Ah, man, this is already. Give me a moment for this one, because this one is interesting, because we have something interesting here, because we are very bearish because we're underneath the cloud. But I see several things here that I'm not going to say I'm shook on, but it's leaving me I'm going to say it's suspect, this market. So right in here. So market is definitely in a range here. I need to fix this. All right. So market is definitely in a range here, ranging between up here, between this point and this point. Even though it did break at one point here, so this I see that this one likes to spike a lot, so I will be cautious on this one. So let me see. Let me move this up to 4 hours. So this could be bullish or bearish at this point, just based off the daily chart. The reason why it could be bullish here is because we do have a bullish cross here, and Kijun is being held right now, which is acting as a support. So we could get a bounce right at this Kijun level and move higher. So that is very possible. But right now, what I'm seeing for this is trying to hold here as support. So tomorrow's candle is going to play a key role in the movement of this market. So I need to come down to the 4 hour to get a better perspective. And as I thought, yes, this makes a lot more sense. If you look here, price is holding at this support level, and it bounced like I thought. So what we need to expect here and wait for, we did have bullish price action, but what needs to happen, our price needs to get above our Kijun, and I'll show you closer. Price needs to get above this blue line right here. If we can't get a break above this blue line, then you might as well say goodbye to this trade. So what can happen here, and I'll be as realistic as possible, it could come straight here, and then it could still dip back down. Because if you notice, price is trying to make lower highs here. So right there could be your market. You see that? So this is the area that we need to break right here. Okay. So if we do manage to break that, this is what I would suggest you look for. If I could find that tool, here we go. So this is what I would expect you to look for. If we break this level, look for it to get here, test here, and then what's going to happen is going to come back down to this level, about right here, and then it's going to make our N wave to the upside. So that's what I'm anticipating. Those are the scenarios that I see in this market. You have to have at least 3-4 scenarios for this market, but this is what I see right now so far, just based off what the data we have right now. So that's why I would be patient here, and this is why usually, and this is my rules, I don't like to trade, a ranging market like this. I like to wait for the breakout. So let's say we do break out. All right, let's say we do make that happen. All right, and I'm gonna have to show you something. Let me make this only visible on the smaller time frames as well, because I don't want no distractions on the higher ones. Okay, so if we go to the daily chart again, this could be the potential move as well. Let's say we do hold here at this price, and it does manage to push higher. Now, these will be the targets that I will be eyeing for price to move higher using the N wave system on this chart. Here we go. So we have A at the bottom down here, all the way up to B, and then right here. These are our targets right here. Okay, let me go ahead and try to see if I could extend this out more. I guess I can't extend that out. Let's see the labels on the right. Let's see what happens. All right, right in here, these will be our targets. So actually I'm gonna put it on the left side. It looks a lot cleaner that way. All right, so these will be our targets right here. Sitting at first, really our first target will be right here, because you have to break above this level anyway. So let me put a line here, and I'll make it a blue line. So we have to break this fractal high anyway for prices to move higher. So we have to break that $1.45 level to go higher to begin with. But if we do manage to get back, past that point, The next level that I will be looking for price to reach will be the $1.67 level. Beyond that will be $1.71. Beyond that, $1.82, and beyond that, let's see, $2.03. So these are all potential targets for this Genesis, for Genesis to move up to. If it could get up to those levels, then you'll be seeing, uh, pretty nice payday right there if you do manage to get above there. So let's say if we got in, let's say if it does happen, the highest percentage gain right there that you could potentially receive is a 57.53% return on your investment if we do manage to get to the E level on this price. So let me draw the N wave for you guys. So it'll be about right here, and then down here, and then E level will take us up to here, right there. So we can get that. I'm not saying that it's not possible. It's just we have a lot of cloud here, but we do see that it's a little thin right here. So anything could happen. Now, let's give you the last scenario that could happen here. So let's say we come up to here, right? And let's say price fails to break above here, okay? If it fails to break above here, we'll see the market probably range in here for a little bit longer. And then we'll start to see cloud start to get weak, and then it'll either break at this point or, come down, or it'll just come straight to the bottom here anyway. So those are these things that I'm noticing here for this market. I'm just giving you the scenario that can happen. If this is a truly a good coin to invest in, then I don't have no doubts that this market will move up higher. Another thing that's giving me bullish momentum is that the cloud is starting to round about. Always when you see the cloud start to round up like this, that's a good sign. Sequence span A is pointing up while B is flat. So this is a good sign for a market to potentially reverse as well. So that's something that I am going to, monitor for you. So be prepared for the outcome of this market. And then last but not least, the weekly charts. Honestly, we don't even need the weekly chart for here. But the only thing I could really give you here for the weekly chart, the reason why it can be a potential buy is because we have a piercing line formation right here. Depending on how this week's candle closes will be very interesting. If we could close a little stronger than this, I could say that the market could definitely move up higher to the upside. So we'll see how this market performs. But that's what I have for Genesis. All right. What's up, Bobby? How we doing? Hey, man. What's going on? You said, what's my thoughts on Matic? Many people are talking about the Ethereum 2.0. I have to check. What's up, XRP for me? Hope you're doing well. God bless you. And hope you're enjoying the content so far. What's up, Little? How you doing? How's it going? I don't want to say it wrong, but it's Arik or Eric, because the A confused me because I usually see Eric with the E in front, so that's why it's like, is it Eric, or I'm gonna just call you Little Arik until you confirm that. But I'm glad that you're on here tonight. Let me take a look at Matic for you. I haven't looked at Matic in a long time now that I think about it. Wow, XRP is shredding. Hold on, let me check my position real quick. So right now I'm up 254 on my XRP position. So that is pretty good. God bless. Ooh, thank you, Lord. I will definitely, man, I'm so thankful, Lord. So right now XRP is at 27 cents and a half. So we actually just broke that level of resistance, I believe. Let me check out Matic right now, and then we'll go back to XRP just because you requested. So last time we looked at Matic, it has been a long time. It is holding here as resistance, as support, so that is a good sign. This is the weekly chart. So looking here at the weekly, This is actually probably a good time to start buying some Matic because we have a dark cloud cover. I mean, we have a piercing line. Actually, let me zoom in closer. Let me make sure. Let's see. Yeah, you could argue that's a this is a piercing line formation. So this candle burst through at least 50% of this candle, which is why the market's now moving up. That's a bullish confirmation. But let's see what the daily is showing us. Okay, we're still okay. So I'm pretty sure. Dang, it's been a long time since I looked at this chart. Let me check out what I last seen. Cause I do remember. The only thing I remember was saying that this market is gonna go down. That's all I remember. Yeah, that's all I remember. But I don't remember that because this chart's pretty dirty because you see all these lines on here. But let me go ahead and freshen up. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's go ahead and clean this all up. So we're going to start fresh here and see what we could get. Now, if you really pay attention to this market, this whole market has been ranging since pretty much way back here, but it's been ranging since all the way up till now. So since May of last year, May 20th of last year, this market has been in a range, and I'll show you guys what I see. This is why you got to zoom out pretty far on these charts to really see what the market's giving you. See that? The market's just been in a range in this box. So this is, this is not ideal market to trade in, but this is what the truth is of the market. It is just in a giant range. So a range could last for years, months, days. And this is a daily chart too, so that that this has been in a wild market. And if you look here on the weekly chart, you can see this even more clearly than what I was showing you. See that? It's even more clear here. And I actually like it better here. So I'm actually going to do that. But yeah, you guys, it's just a gigantic range. Just a gigantic range. But anyway, let me go ahead and knock that one off. So yeah, this market's been in nothing but a range. So let me go ahead and start doing some analysis on this coin for you. And let me pull this box out a little bit more. All right, and let me go ahead and take down the brightness of this box as well. All right, there we go. All right, so here we go. Look at it a little bit more clearly. Perfect. So market is clearly in a downtrend here on the daily charts. It is trying to get some momentum to the upside as we see. Let's see what, no volume in here. Its volume is still low on this. We do have a bullish cross, but price is still moving pretty bearish. Pretty bearish here. Excuse me. So here, if we drew a trend line down, it's hitting resistance right now on the cloud. So can't really go based off this, chart, off the daily chart for what's going to happen. So I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart real quick just to see what's going on. And let me move that off. Let me go down to the 4-hour now. Let's see. Oh, my chart just froze. Well, that's crazy. My chart never freezes like that. Well, my chart just froze. That's some hate right now that's going on. So I guess I'm just going to talk to you guys until my chart unfreezes, because I did not expect this chart to just freeze on me like that. It has never froze on me like that before. So I take that as a sign that market is going to start going super crazy. I can't even open up the chart now. So let me refresh this real quick. Let me see what happens. Maybe I might lose my information. Maybe not. We'll see. But I still anticipate a higher. I'm still anticipating the market to maybe start, going lower. So you see, it didn't even save my information. Oh, that sucks. So I might have to do that chart over. Let me see. Yep, I gotta start over. That's trash. So let me go ahead and start over. It did it save none of my data. Okay, let's go ahead and do that and take that off. Right there. We'll go right here. And we'll drag this a little bit in right there. So yeah, we're moving sideways here. Okay, perfect. Now for this daily chart, let's throw this on. Let's do this real fast as possible. Okay. Something disappeared on my chart. I don't see my fractals. Is my fractals off? Well, apparently it says my fractals are on, but I don't see them on my chart. Maybe I'm tripping. Hold on a second. Yeah, my fractals are not appearing on my chart, which is very strange. So maybe I'm overloading the charts. I don't know. Or maybe it's just this chart in particular because it's not letting me even analyze this chart. You see that? It's not even letting me analyze this chart. So I don't know what it is. Okay, there it is. It's lagging hard. Not sure what that's all about. But let's take a closer look at this. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Let's get a better perspective. Maybe it's just the 4 hour chart because I could look at the 1 hour, but this 4 hour chart is not letting me, it's not opening up for some reason. So let's stay on the hour. See that? I can't even go to the 4 hour chart. That's bizarre. I have never seen that before. Well, I'm going to just analyze it as best I can here. Maybe I'm not meant to analyze this chart. I don't know. But there is a P wave here for you. So, given the current information that we have, it is in bullish territory, so I will give you that. So what needs to happen here? In price, first of all, needs to break outside this P wave, and then once it breaks outside this P wave, that's when you'll have your move. So let's go ahead and zoom in here real quick. And another thing, there's no bullish moment, there's no bullish volume, there's no bulls entering this market. So it is going to be kind of curious how this market's going to fare here, but I'm going to just give you the bullish scenario that could potentially happen because right now it's kind of hard to say. There's no volume saying that buyers are entering the market right now. All right. So if price does breaks outside this line here, this structure, and does decide to move higher, we could see price move towards the 1 cent and almost 2 cent level right here. Right here is at 2 cents. All the way up to 2 cents and 241 up here. So this would be the highest level that it could get to. But I am going to anticipate a pullback after it does break higher and then a bounce, I'll come back to the downside. And I'll show you right here what I see. Because we do have resistance right at this level, which is near that B level. So I'd be very cautious here. Actually, right there. So I'd be very cautious right there. So let me show you what can potentially happen. All right, so we get that move up. Let's say we make that 1-to-1 move. Then a bounce here. And then we'll see prices, move like that. It won't follow that same trajectory, but it will get, moving in that fashion or close to that fashion to the upside is what I'm saying. So that's what I have for Matic. I don't think it's bearish. It doesn't give me bearish. The only thing that's bearish is this, but the cloud is starting to get weak here. So we should see price, get up in this range, and that then we'll pretty much know, and maybe it would come down to this part right here. So then we'll find out how price is going to respond at that level. So we'll see. We will definitely see. I'm about to get off this chart. I don't know why this chart is messing up my... I don't know. It's just messing up stuff. Whoa, XRP is not playing, you guys. It is not playing. We just broke it. You guys, we just broke that resistance that I was telling you guys about. We just broke it just now. Wow, that's exciting. Hold on, actually, let me put that back. We just broke it, you guys. We just broke that threshold. Wow, hold on. Let me see right now what's going on my. So currently we're almost up. We're almost up $300 on this trade, sitting at $200.82. So let me show you that. I don't know if y'all saw that. The numbers are moving, but you guys, man, this is wild. This is wild. We're about to hit some high numbers for real. And I said once we break here, we should be free because we've been in this gigantic accumulation phase here, and inside this P wave. And once we broke outside this P wave, that's what I said. This next move is gonna be strong. Whatever direction it goes, it's gonna be strong. And it looks like we're getting a strong candle to the upside, and volume is still increasing. We come down to the 4-hour chart. We just broke it. We just broke that level. And we hit, oh man, if you guys, my students are going to be screaming right now. If my students are watching, they're probably screaming right now. I said, you know, I told them get in down here. We already hit 3 targets already. So I'm going to go ahead and send this to my student Discord group. So you guys bear with me. My students are going to be screaming right now. Let me see. I'm going to go ahead and send this to them real quick. Man, they are going to be screaming. Oh my goodness. I'm screaming. I'm trying to contain myself right now just for the man. You guys, this is wild. This is really wild. All right. So I just sent that to my students, so they should be fine. They know what to look for when I send it to them, so cool. Well, what is that? I appreciate that hex bomb. I don't even know what that says. The RSD. Thank you for that. I don't even know what that is, but I like that little emoji thing that's dancing. Appreciate that. Let me see. So you say Eric, like, okay, so let me just catch up to the comments. I'm way behind on comments right now. XRP is definitely moving. What's up, Kitchen? How you doing? God bless you, brother. God bless the saints. It's a good day to be an XRP investor. Yes, it is. Just let me catch up with these comments, you guys. Let me see. Oh, okay. All right, Rodney, take care, man. If you're still on here, God bless you, man. I appreciate you. You gotta go. I understand. It's a sign. It's a sign not to get into Maytech thing. I'll take that as a definite yes to that, because I don't know. I have never got on a chart before that has never let me not analyze it before. So I'm not even gonna bother Maytech no more. So are you doing the Spark XRP fork? No, I'm not. I'm not. The reason I'm not against it. I'm just not comfortable with it. If I'm not comfortable with something, I'm not gonna do it. Even if it sounds like a good idea, I'm not gonna get involved. I'll just say this: I'm not. If I miss out, that's fine. I have other things that I could get into, so I don't even care. But you know, just my perspective, I'm just not comfortable with it. I don't know what the idea behind Spark is, what they really want Spark for. So, and I don't want to send. Give people access, because you got to send information about your ledger, right? If I'm not mistaken. So that's just my thoughts. If I might be wrong on that, that's fine. I'll take being wrong. But, I'm not a fan of the stuff XRP fork and Spark. So that's just me. If I miss out, that's fine. But if you do it, God bless. You deserve to win. Cool. But me personally, I'm not for it. Woo, XRP is about to hit my fourth target, and then we're gonna go up to the higher number. Woo, I'm about to call my family, be like, hey, we about to be millionaires tonight. You said you did it tonight. That's what's up. Okay. XLM is moving also. What in the world you said? SDR is okay. The Siberian dinar. Okay, you just educated me on something because I did not know that. Entry point on XRP or which one? Everyone should have an extra strategy. I'm selling off percentages. What's up, Jason? How you doing? This is my first time seeing your name on here. You said everyone is gonna race to sell off after the flare snapshot. I wouldn't doubt that. I would not doubt that at all. I really hope XRP hits my fourth target during this live stream because that'll be wild. Man, I will, man, 50K XRP, exactly. We gotta speak it into existence, man. Shoot, we gotta speak it into existence, man. If that happens now in our time, you gonna see some trillionaires, and I'm gonna be one of them. I'm about to be a trillionaire, you guys. I wouldn't be opposed to being a trillionaire. I would actually do a lot of good for the people if I was a trillionaire. I actually prayed about that. I said, Lord, if you ever made me a trillionaire, I would not count that as a mistake. I would be like, whatever you want me to do, we're going to do it. So let me see. I'm getting blown up on Twitter on something. I don't even know what it is. I'll probably look at that later. You said past Jeff Bezos. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be richer than Jeff Bezos. He's gonna be looking up to me. He's like, how did you do it? God. God has blessed me with this. And he's gotta look at me crazy. I don't know if he believes in God or not, but if he does, cool. But you never know. Let's see. What's up, Johnson? How you doing, man? You said old XRP finally moving. Hope we. Yeah, man. I hope we do too. But God. You said I'm gonna go home and take care of my hometown people. Newfoundland, Canada. You know what? I have a student out in Canada, so I might definitely go out there just to visit. So I'll let you know. Because I do plan on traveling too. When I start the traveling, you guys, y'all gonna see a lot more vlogs. I will have vlogs probably every week if I can. I might have to find a cameraman to, vlog for me because I don't like holding the camera. I hate it. I can't stand holding the camera. But if I must, I will. But if y'all want to be my cameraman, if y'all want to travel with me, let me know. Who wants to be my cameraman? We travel the world, praise God together, spread the word of God, and also help the world grow. Who wants to do that? Who wants to be my cameraman or woman? I don't even care who. If you're really down about it and you're about that life, let me know. Newfoundland is the greatest province ever. Got you. I have to check that. I'll have to look into that. What's up, Tyson? How we doing? If Bitcoin holds longer at these levels than it did in 2017, maybe XRP will also stay higher. I believe it will. You said I'm with it. My wife said she would be your camera person. Hey, bet. Awesome. Tell her I said thank you. Tyson Bailey. This is for you. All right, but yes, man, you guys, this is exciting just looking at this happening right now. I don't even know what to say for XRP anymore. Like, what can I say? That I already finished the analysis on XRP. That's just what I have, you guys, for XRP. I just have this thing going strong. And I see that the volume is increasing right now on the weekly, so I believe we'll definitely get in that 30-cent range towards the end of this week. It's already towards the end of this week. I'm talking probably like Saturday, Sunday. Saturday's tomorrow, so it's probably tomorrow or Sunday, maybe even Monday morning. But you know what? If Saturday is like we break outside of this, I'm gonna do a live stream tomorrow, man. If that happens, I promise you guys, I'll do a live stream. It'll be random because I won't even know until I look at the charts. But this, okay, let me say this because there is a catch here, and I will say this: there is a catch here because this is how trading works, and a lot of people need to understand this. If you watch my live streams in the morning when I do how to teach people how to read the charts, this is one thing that I need y'all to understand when it comes to reading charts. And a lot of people get caught up in this a lot when it comes to reading charts. All right. So first thing, we did break that resistance. That's cool. That's fine. That's a plus, all right? But here's what needs to happen when you break a resistance. We first of all, this daily candle needs to close above this resistance. That's the first catch. That's the first one, all right? First catch. We have 20 hours and 52 minutes until this daily candle closes. So a lot of stuff could happen during this time. So we need price to at least get up to the 29, 28 cent level before, within that time frame. We need this current candle to get that high, or we need it to close, maybe at the 28 cent level. All right. Once it closes there, then we'll probably get the next candle will probably come back down to retest here. And this is where you should look for your next buying opportunity, and then boom, to the upside. All right. So that's what I'm anticipating here. And this is what you need to be cautious of when you do break a resistance. This was our last level of resistance. All right. Once we broke our last level of resistance, that it's not just celebrate 100% just yet. This daily candle has to close first of all. That's the first step. The next step that needs to happen is we have to close above this level, and the next candle has to hold this level as support. Once that's established, then we'll see a lot higher prices, but I'm still banking on that happening. All right. I'm still banking on that happening, especially looking at the momentum of the lower time frames. We have we have 51 minutes until this 4-hour candle closes, you guys. And it's looking really good. So I don't have no doubt in my mind that we'll get up to here by tomorrow. We might even wake up. So let's see. I go to bed around noon, like midnight. So trying to do the math in my head. So I'll probably wake up at like 5 in the morning. So let's say at 5 in the morning, we'll probably be somewhere here, maybe around 30 cents, 29 cents. That's if this momentum keeps up, because the volume, if you look at the volume, that's looking solid. All right. Looking solid. So we'll see how this 4-hour candle closes. This is what depending on how this 4-hour candle closes, that's what I'm going to base the move off of. All right. So that's what I have for now for XRP, going back over everything again. Okay. And then not to mention, we have a Y wave. I was telling my students, once we break outside this Y wave, you guys don't understand this yet, but the longer you stay on this channel, you're going to understand. When you have this pattern here, it looks like an alligator's mouth. This Y wave here, when you get this pattern, this is a very strong formation in the market. All right. When the price or a market breaks outside of this, whatever direction it is, it's going to be a massive move. And we're showing signs of that massive move. And this is a bigger one too. This is a 4-hour time frame, a 4-hour chart Y wave. You don't get Y waves too often on a 4-hour time frame. You may get them on like the 1 hour and maybe even the 15-minute, but to get one on the 4-hour time frame means a colossal move is in the making. So this is why I'm very excited. We actually might just blow past all this, and we might just go straight to 80. And the last time we went straight to 80 cents from here, and I'll show you when I was trading XRP back in 2017, because I've been trading XRP for a long time. The last time we jump shot from where we at? Right here, from 27 cents to 80 cents was about, actually jumped to 75 cents. So let me correct myself. So right here, from this point, from this 27-cent level all the way to 75 cents. Look how fast market moved. And this was in how many days did this take? So from 27 cents to, this was in a 3-day span, you guys. In 3 days, XRP went from 27 cents to 80 cents or 75 cents, correct myself. And you see the volume that was on there. Look at the volume that was on XRP right here. In 3 days, you guys, just in 3 days. You guys, XRP moved from, y'all need to understand what I'm saying here. XRP moved from 27 cents to 75 cents in 3 days. You guys, 3 days and 8 hours to really confirm that. But if XRP could do that now, what are we worried about? And that was without utility. That was without that was without a lot of things. But look where we're at now. Look at what Ripple has done as a company. And I'm actually going to post this on Twitter because people don't understand the significance of this level right now and what's going on. So you guys, look at the volume. It's screaming boom. It's screaming explosion here. It's literally screaming explosion. So we could get a move from 27 cents to around 75, 80 cents very fast without people even, it could very much happen. So you guys just buckle up, watch the market, be prepared for what's to come. You guys, it's a lot of stuff is about to happen, and people are gonna have their minds blown for what's about to happen in this space. All right, a lot of people are about to have their mind blown. You said it's about time. Johnson videos, you said it's getting a lot of hate from famous traders because it doesn't move when they want. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, they're just haters. That's all it is. That's all that is. After 45 cents, I'll be ecstatic. Digital source, you said XRP 90 cent by the end of the month based on no TA. Hey, what's up? That's what's up. XRP for me, you said I just want to sit and chill with you, brother, on a beach in Jamaica. Hey man, when it's all said and done, we can make it happen, man. We'll have enough money to do that. Gabriel, fire emoji, 100 emoji, fire emoji. I'm right there with you on that. Jeff, you said people are impatient. That's why they're bitter. 100%, my friend. But you guys, give me 2 more requests. I'm going to take 2 more requests tonight, and then I'm going to get off of here. I want to listen to music and relax today. Usually when it's Friday, I like to wind down and into Saturday. I just chill all Saturday. Bobby, I looked at XLM already, so I'll just do a recap on it, but I won't consider that technical analysis. But I'll still look at it just because you asked. It's not going to count as an analysis, so I'll just show you what it looks like right now, just to show you. Let's see. Let's go to XLM. So XLM is moving on up, like I was saying here. We're gonna get at least up to this point. So that's what I have for XLM. I remember, I think it was you that asked me for the request last time, but let me see. Right here, it was stuck in this range, and I said once we break out, whether it be up or down, I was leaning more to the upside, but right now the target is the top of this box. If you realize here, this is the bigger picture, and then let me go to the daily charts. This is the overall target for XLM on the daily chart. Let's see. So this is what I have, for XLM, the highest back to 11-cent range here. So that's what I have for XLM. So another request was, what was that? So I'll do RSR and I'll do Chainlink. RSR and Chainlink. I'm not sure if I should do RSR because RSR, last time I looked at it, it was, let me see. Let me look at it real fast because I don't think it was doing anything really special. I don't remember this chart. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, I had drawn this triangle. Let me try to refresh my memory because it's been a while since I last seen this. Okay. Okay, I remember now. Okay, so whoever asked me to for this analysis, I said to buy here. This was where I said to buy. Always remember my green lines are buying positions. So I said to buy here. So now we're in profit. Let me go to the smaller chart because this is not gonna take too long to analyze. So oh, okay. Well, you guys, looky. We already hit all four targets. Wow. Are y'all ready to be my students yet? I'm just saying. Cause look, we hit all four targets, and it was perfect. The last one was perfect, and we right when we hit our last target, the market reversed all the way back down to our entry. So really, you should have closed all your profits there. And then if you had held up to here, you would have made a 19.68% return on your investment. So right now, I still have this market moving higher only because uh, if I do this, if you notice here, we're still holding above this invisible trend line. Let me take off the cloud so y'all can see that. We're still holding this trend line all the way up. So we're still bullish. So if you want to buy again, you could still accumulate some more right now if you want to. We're still in the accumulation phase. So that's what I have for that. Yeah, like I said, this one is not going to take that long just by looking at the chart. You guys probably wonder how I could analyze a chart so fast. Is because literally if you understand the cloud system, it literally takes you, I could analyze literally between 10 to 20 charts in 3 minutes if I really wanted to, because I look for certain things. If I don't like something, I'll just move to the next one and be like, okay. But this one's a good one. I still have this as a buy right now. All right. So this is still a buy in my opinion. Let's see. Hey, Jeff, you said you promised I'll sign up. Things happen. Wasn't able to, but I'll sign up for a month to month. Sign up for month to month. That's what. Hey, that's what's up, man. If you could do that, that'll get you started, man. Uh, yeah. If you want to do the month to month, just join the join. Hit the join button on the on the group on in the YouTube channel. After you hit the join button, pick what's it called? Pick CloudLife, and it'll that'll be your way into the student Discord. So if you want to do that, now let me see. You said I don't even know how to say your name. I don't even want to mess it up because I know I get mad when people mess up my name. So uh, I don't even know what to call you. What should I call you? Because you said the Discord link's broken. The Discord link's not broken. It's just that it disables after 24 hours. So not just anybody could get in the Discord group. And that Discord group is public for anybody to join. Now, I have two Discord groups. One strictly for students, one for open for anybody to join. All right. So that's how I do that. And it's just to, differentiate, everybody. So I know where everybody stands at. So yeah, if you want to join the open group, open Discord, then I'll put the link out on the community section, so you could check that out. So once that's finished, once I put that up, check it out in the community section, and you'll see it. Yeah, the Discord link for the open group is expired only because it expires after 24 hours. So you know what? I'll do this right now just because I'm gonna put the link. Go ahead and put the link for the open group right now for you guys to see. Let me see. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in now, so you guys could come and join it, the open Discord group. So I'm gonna put it in the community section right now, and then after that you could join it. And if you want to join the student Discord group, then go to the if you want to join the student Discord group, go to the join button on here, hit the CloudLife membership, and I'll put you in the student Discord group. All right. Let me see. All right, so the Discord group is now on the community section. So if you want to join it, go ahead and hit the join button. It is open for anybody to join, so you could hit that now. Just go to the community section on the channel, and you'll see the first link on the tab. All right. So that's what I have here for RSR, and then I'm gonna finish off with Chainlink, and then we'll be done. So going back to Chainlink. Let's see, link. Here we go. All right, same thing here on Chainlink. We have a P wave here, and price is slowly creeping here. I still have price moving back up to $17, $18 range, $17.64 range. Let me see what it's looking like on the 4-hour chart. 4-hour charts are just building up momentum. I still have the same thing. That's not changed. The only thing that I'm cautious about, because right now the market is in a box here. Let me take off the cloud. Market is in a box here. So when you see a box market, be careful. This will get a lot of people in trouble. So until it breaks outside this box, whether it be up or down, be cautious. I have a feeling that it's going to go up, but I still assume it's going up. Volume is increasing here a little bit. So I'm still leaning to the bulls taking this market. And then we have a pretty thick cloud here as well. And not just that, market is making higher lows each time. So that's what I have here for Chainlink. The cloud is thick. We do have a bearish cross here, which nothing to be concerned about just yet, because price is still maintaining above the Kijun and Chiku span is stuck. So really, you want to really pay attention to the hour chart and really get an idea what's going on here. 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame is where you want to pay attention. But like I was saying, you definitely want to watch and wait till the price breaks outside that box I was telling you guys about. All right. So that's what I have for Link. And let me see. Let's see. You said I'm going to tweet you out. I got like 51 subs in a day because of a tweet I sent you. Because of a tweet I sent. Oh, because okay, yeah, I appreciate that, man. I definitely appreciate the tweet, man. Everything that y'all do for me, if y'all do anything for me, it's a blessing. I don't like to ask for anything. If you bless me with it, that's I'll take it. I'm thankful for that. That's a blessing to me. So I appreciate that, Jeff. Let me see. I'll do one more. XRPG, you asked for ANKR. Did I read that right? ANKR. So I know I don't have it on this chart. So ANKR. Wow, that's really a coin. Okay, that's different. I don't even know what this is. Okay, so right off the bat, I like this. I like this. We just got a bullish cross in here. So let me zoom in so y'all can see this. So we just had a bullish cross. So that's one confirmation of a bullish market. Next, here we have this secret span 8 angling up. So that's good. If this continues to go in the, to the upside, this could be the N wave. And these could be the potential prices here. But market is holding here as a support, so that's pretty good. So I need to come down to the 4-hour to confirm that, confirm this market. Okay, so coming here, let me move this. So coming here on the, oh, there's a lot of noise here. There we go. So coming here on the 4-hour chart, looks like the market is making a flag pattern. Let me show you. At least that's what it looks like right off the rip. No, I wouldn't say that. I take that back. It looks like a wedge. All right. So you know what? I wouldn't even touch this until it breaks outside this pattern here. So either price is gonna come down here, and then we get our bounce to the upside like that, because this is a bullish wedge. Excuse me. So we could get this move here, or price may hold here and then, you know, just move up from this point. So that's what I'm anticipating. I'm not going to, you know, I'm gonna just wait on that. That one's interesting, but let me put on the cloud. Let me make sure, because we have a bearish cloud here. So let me go to the 1-hour. This one's getting a little ugly now. Let me just confirm on the hour. Oh man, this gonna, you know what? I'm gonna just stick with what I said. Don't touch this until it breaks outside of this range. I wouldn't even touch this yet. The only thing that you know that it has going right now is that daily chart shows that it's a bullish sign. Even here on the 1-hour is a little tricky. So we could easily still move back to the downside and have a buying position down here, but we will see, because right now the market's not giving us the information that we need. We may need to even come down to the 15 for this one. And then even here on the 15 is not, it's saying that we may move to the downside. So yeah, this is where you might want to short. So I'm gonna go with what I was saying. We actually might do this. We actually might come down somewhere in here, maybe even here. But this is the range that we're gonna be in. I have this market moving lower first and then moving higher. All right, that's what I have. I might put it down here. So I'm gonna lean towards the downside for this one. So that's what I'm going to stay with. I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's analysis. I hope you guys, you know, are going to be holding pretty strong. We have 30 minutes until this 1-hour candle closes on, no, we have 30 minutes until this 4-hour candle closes on XRP. And it looks like it's closing pretty strong here, so I'm excited. You guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. I'm about to head out. I'm about to probably make me something to eat, listen to music, and, you know, drink some water. RMMR fam. That's a lot of letters. RMMR fam. I appreciate you. Many blessings to you too. I appreciate you liking the TA. Hope you enjoyed this live stream as well. Hexbomb, big shout out to you. You guys, y'all gotta give Hexbomb some like a round of applause. Hexbomb is up at 3 a.m. you know, watching this live stream, and he's a member of this channel too. So big shout out to you, Hexbomb. I appreciate you. You don't even have to do this, but you do. So huge shout out to you. God bless you. I pray the Lord blesses you twofold just for even being on here, man, because that's a blessing in itself for showing me support like that. So appreciate you. He's a member. He's a Nimbus. He has the Nimbus membership. So that's just if you want to just support the channel, be a Nimbus member. That'll be nice. So God bless you, Hexbomb. Jeff, I appreciate you. Peace, fam. Bobby, I appreciate you. Everybody that's on this live stream, I appreciate you. God bless you guys. I'll see you guys in the next live stream. Hope you guys enjoyed tonight. Subscribe if you're new to this channel and if you like what you heard and saw today. And be prepared for some more live streams and analysis videos. And I'll be keeping you guys updated on the market. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed tonight. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. God bless and peace.